In this video, I'll show you how I made this Punisher plaque out of these pieces of scrap wood. First I cut them into smaller pieces to fit the pattern, then I joined them together using a biscuit joiner. This is a biscuit joiner. It uses a small circular saw blade to cut a slot into the opposite edges of the two pieces of wood. The slot is made by pushing the blade into the wood while it's running. Then wood glue and a biscuit is placed in the slot and the boards are clamped together. The wet glue causes the biscuit to expand, further improving the bond, giving you a tight joint. When I join pieces together, I always sandwich them first with some scraps and then clamp them. This will give you a flat board once the glue is dry. For this project, I made slots only on the inside surfaces of the first and last strips, and slots on both sides of the other strips. Then I added the glue and the biscuits and clamped the pieces together. Once the glue dried, I ran the board through the thickness planer to clean it up and smooth it out, as well as bringing it to the desired thickness. I attached the Punisher pattern to the board and started to cut it out on the bandsaw. And using the scroll saw, I cut out the eyes, nose, and the spaces between the fangs. I did a lousy job of attaching the pattern to the board. The paper flapping up and down should not be happening. Oh well. And then I painted it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.